a big round of applause to Barangay Tanawan for their outstanding contribution. And also, I would like to say thank you so much, Cap, for having me tonight. I love you so much, Cap, and see you on our Liga nights. And of course, together we have created a memorable moments that celebrate our community's strength and unity. Thank you once again for your unwavering support. Once again, before we crown the new Mrs. Tanawan, we say our final thank you to the people who made this pageant possible. Of course, let us not forget the production team, Maynard's Organic team, thank you so much, behind this very successful event, who did their best in staging a world-class pageant today. Ano ba kaman pa rin, ladies and gentlemen? Ang alam mo, excited na tayo po for the Wilfredo's and dark version. We have 5 more minutes, we're going to finish this one. And also, thank you so much to Leo Baby Lupiano and Rashid, my makeup artist, I love you so much. To the Island Trek Tours and School Tours for picking up our valuable guests in the past few days. Thank you, Shai. And also,